Tim Wilson is taking a job at an institution he's credited with wanting to abolish. Coming on board, he's offering a fresh perspective.
We have very limited protections of individual rights and freedoms, and so it comes back to a cultural approach where people understand what their rights are and feel that they can go about defending them.
He'll join 6 other commissioners, and they won't always see eye to eye. Mr Wilson wants to change Section 18C of the Racial Discrimination Act to end unnecessary restrictions on free speech.
Well, I'm approaching it as a human rights advocate from a free speech position rather than from justifications to reduce the amount of free speech that people enjoy. Also looking at where rights come into conflict.
Section 18C won notoriety when columnist Andrew Bolt was found in breach for a column about fair-skinned Indigenous Australians. It deals with whether a case offends, insults, humiliates and intimidates someone. Community groups say we need the Act because Australia has not yet dealt with racism.
But if we were at that point, clearly we wouldn't see the level of complaints that we do see from Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people, members of other ethnic groups who are vilified on the basis of their race. So while we aspire to that, we cannot say that we are there now.
It works well. I deal with vulnerable people. I deal with people whose linguistic skill are not as good as some lawyer or the man in the street, and I believe they should be protected.
Mr Wilson was appointed in December by the Attorney-General George Brandis to restore balance to the Commission. He has friends in Canberra, but he's likely to be lonely at the HRC.
Our central position here at the Human Rights Commission, agreed to, I might add, by 6 commissioners and me as President, is that that 18C has worked well.
She welcomes a robust debate.
If that means that we have an exposure of the arguments in the public arena, then we relish it and look forward to it.
Gary Cox, NITV News.